Hello. As you can see, I've made some paper airplanes. I've already used them quite a lot. You can see how the tip is all bent. She clearly likes these because I throw it like that. Normally she goes after it. Not always. She only goes after it when it lands really close to her. Do you mind? You're on camera. Really? As usual. She's happy with her plane because it's the fastest one. Her mom just here chilling out. She was hurting her now. So I had to separate them for a bit. Would you literally mind? You're on camera. Oh well, at least she moved towards it. And now she just gave up. What if I did this? Wait. This. Do I have to steal this airplane from you? Really? Okay. If you want it back, clearly it's so. If you want it back, here you go. Are you literally flipping kidding me? Wait. This is trial and error. Now she's probably really mad because I took her airplane away from her. Would you mind? Are you happy now? You literally have it on your back. Yes, she grabbed it. She's arm wrestling with it. And it's all destroyed. She's going on to the next one. She sat on it. When I brought out my toy cars, he started playing with them. And now she's playing with the paper airplanes. So, she likes paper airplanes. She likes Hot Wheels. The video on the Hot Wheels should be uploaded. If it isn't, well, that sucks. Are you gonna do anything with that airplane? Besides sit on it? Besides sit on it? The closest you'll ever get to a cat's face. Right here. Or I could just zoom in. Yeah, that's as far as my phone zooms in. Ooh, what does this do? Oh. Okay. Wait. Oh. I guess she's just gonna sit on this airplane for quite the while. You just got a very good view of a cat's face. And she was chasing a butterfly a while ago. And the beetles, there's some beetles here, really struggle to get past this net. Even though they can walk through these holes perfectly. So weird. I guess she's just gonna sit on that. This morning we made a pile of leaves over there, and the cats were jumping around in it. Really? Really? You're stepping on my ankle. This cat is huge. Hey, no. No, not there. Not there. Move. No, not there. Stop. I have been stepped on. Woohoo. And she's still sitting on her airplane. Why does she's so weird. She never, like, she opens her eyes like only every once in a while. And her, she's just chilling over there. I'm guessing she really likes the camera. Also, did you know that her and her and most of them have heard Hakuna Matata? So weird. Did she really just sit on me? Really? Okay. Yeah, these two are fighting, as I said. Okay, bye.